Hello everybody, in today's video we're going to be playing Rolling Thunder Official. They have finished the game. I have played a little bit in the past, and yes, they changed a lot in this game. In the past it was
I'm also
against
here.
some zombies in the nighttime, and I'm here with my friend Blue, also known as Aslan. He is here with me to play Rolling Thunder with me, trying to help see if we can actually win a match. And yeah, that's really what we're going to be doing. So what I'm really going to pick is just support. I like playing support. And Aslan, what are you going to pick?
By the way, the guy I'm playing with, Imps for the same person he made Talbot with.
Okay, I'm just going to start then.
Alright.
Alright, let's go. I believe we are defending. No, we're capturing. Alright, and so basically in this game, you just have to beat some random people down. Which is... Ow.
It's like at games. No, actually, I'm average at games. You're just better than me.
Yes. You're average. And
Why are there landmines?
There's no landmine, is there?
Oh my god.
No, it's just Rocketeers.
I can't even rage anymore. My mouth's about to break.
Why would you rage? Why are you so rageative? Is that a word? No, it is. It's now a word.
I think it might be because of Geometry Dash.
It is now a word. Rageative. Ow. Yeah, this game is really hard if you're a starter. If you played before, then it's gonna be even harder for you. Since you don't know all the mechanics, and last time I was playing with lots of bots, so we need to use a bandage.
Yeah, I hate bots. They're so annoying.
Bandage.
It's just stupid.
Yeah, it's kind of stupid. The game before this game got released fully, the game was really nice because you were actually playing against bots, which are almost equivalent to a player. All I can tell you is that this game's really hard. Because you take a lot of damage. Yes.
Yeah, like each enemy will one-shot you.
Almost. Because I took damage and I didn't take damage. I wasn't one-shotted. You just take a lot of damage. Depending on what the enemy has a weapon as. Yeah.
It's so laggy though.
No, it's not. It's not laggy. Really well. My pistol's not colored well. I'm shooting with my pistol because pistol. Ow. Yeah, okay. Look, I'm just trying to add sound effects instead of just doing some editing. I'm not bothered to do editing because it takes a long time. Also, for some reason, there's like this glitch where you spot an enemy and then you can hit them through walls. Did you just spawn at me? I say that's illegal now. For spawning. Ow. Okay. I now say it's illegal to join just to spawn at me. What are you shooting at? Beep, 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 beep. Alright, I'm gonna go to the enemy base. Go to the enemy base. Bam, bam, bam. Whoa! Hello. Hello. Bam, bam. Okay. Bam, 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 bam. Or also, you can slide in this game. Just saying. For people who don't know how to play this game properly, you can slide. There are apparently tanks or rockets that you can use. So use that to your advantage. And also... No! Ah, come on. So really in this game we're gonna be just playing around, going around. Or two. And that's really it. And I died. Hang on. What is going on? Yes. Where is he? What? Alright, let's just go in. Alright. This game can be very complicated, so yes. Also, this game is very realistic and just really nice.
Yeah.
Hippity hoppity, get on my property. What? Hippity hoppity, get off my property. Meow. Stop hiding. Not meant to be hiding. I will shoot you with my pistol if I have to. Okay. You are dead. Yeah, this game can be very. What the heck? This game can be very interesting. I'm about to die, aren't I? Yeah, so this game is very interesting. You can go check it out. And play. It's called Rolling Thunder Official, or Official Rolling Thunder. That's how I like to call it, Rolling Thunder Official. But yeah, you can try this game out. Can be laggy if you have a bad PC or anything, which I kind of have. But it's fine. Okay. If you what? So basically, this game can be very hard. Yeah, I think I already told you that. This game can be very strategic, kind of, but at the same time, very just straightforward. Because I mean, who wouldn't just go around shooting with a gun? Who wouldn't? Or who would? Ow. I need to place a C. I'm gonna try and place it down a C4. See if I can. Or even is this a C4? It's probably not. Yeah, it's not. It's not even a C4. What am I thinking? There we go. F to pick up bandage. And it's B to bandage. Da, 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 da. And I died. Okay. So yes, the game's hard. Very hard. Very, very, very hard. Because first of all, yeah, they just update a lot. Really good detail. And they actually know what they're doing. Get off my property. Bandage. Hey, that's pretty good. Hey, that's pretty good. Hippity hoppity, get off my property. Wait, what are we capturing? Okay. Ow. Hello. I just have so many questions about him, and I don't think I can answer them. I don't think you can answer them. Or sell, or well, some. Him. Go, 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 go. Get off the property. Hippity hoppity, get off my property. That's what they say. Why am I so slow? What? What? Where? Okay, okay. And I died. Okay, this game is not fully made yet, I think. So, I mean, they're kind of doing this really hard since they have to do the realism, which is really hard to do. Alright, I need to do changes. Spotted though. Yeah, so this game is fun. This game's fun, and you can go check it out. I'll add in the link in the description. And yeah. And yeah, just see you in a minute. And when we win, we can do something about this. Oh god. What happened? Oh god. What happened? Where?
What's happening?
I don't know.
No! I think you wrong on my account. Yeah, downstairs. On the computer.
What?
Oh, you lagged out my game.
Don't worry.
How long has it been?
We're just about to win, really. We're just about to win. Also, in this game, you can die a lot, so don't expect being a really good pro in Arsenal and just being a really good pro in this. It is not the same.
And make sure you use a wide mouse. Wireless mouse.
I have a wide mouse. There's no change.
No, because when you rage and you throw your mouse across the room, your laptop's going with it. It just happened to me. My laptop just fell off my bed.
Why?
Then I raged in geometry day.